Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cloud Data Engineer. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. In this video, I will show you how to install SQL Server Management Studio. So go to Google and in the search bar search for Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and then go to the first link, click on it. I will provide the links in the description. You can go through it. Click on it and you will coming to the official page of Microsoft, and then you will get a link, free download for SQL Server Management Studio, and it will be downloading. It will take a couple of minutes, depends upon your internet speed. Yeah, it's completed now, and we will be installing. Double click on it and it will open, and it will ask for the installation. Wait for a couple of minutes. Yeah, it is asking for the installation. Choose the path. Where do you need to install the and click on installation. So it will take a couple of minutes, so you need to wait. Yeah, now it's successfully completed installation. Go to search bar and search for Microsoft SQL Server, and you will getting this. Yeah, it's done. So if you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest videos. Yeah, thanks for watching.